Are you looking for the best personal blenders? In this video we will look at some of the best personal blenders the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Footy Power Nutri Duo. The best personal blender we've tested is the Ninja Footy Power Nutri Duo. This blender's performance rivals some full-size blenders, and it's a great option if you want a small, versatile blender. That's partly because of its smoothie bowl maker, a jar with rotating arms inside that allows it to easily process thick smoothies or other types of recipes like nut butter. Naturally, it comes with personal jars for single-serve drinks and easily blends extremely silky smoothies with fibrous fruits and vegetables. Add in its fantastic ice-crushing ability, and you have a compact, multi-purpose blender that can help with almost any recipe. Unlike many personal blenders, its controls include a few automatic blending programs, so you can move away from the blender as it's running, which may come in handy because it's one of the louder blenders we've tested. If you're concerned about noise, you might prefer the NutriBullet Pro 900. This quieter blender can match the Ninja's fibrous ingredient blending performance, which is important for well-blended smoothies with ingredients like kale, but it comes with a few downsides. It's not meant for ice crushing, and its blade assembly isn't dishwasher safe. Ninja and NutriBullet are among the most popular personal blender brands, and if you want to know more about how they stack up against each other, you can read a more detailed comparison here. Number 2. Ninja Fit. If you're looking for a personal blender, Ninja is one of the best brands to check out, and they make good options at a few different price points. The Ninja Fit isn't as feature-packed as the previous pick. It doesn't come with a smoothie bowl maker, making it harder to use for small batches of nut butter or hummus. However, it has no problem smoothly processing stubborn smoothie ingredients like spinach or blueberries. It's also great for small batches of crushed ice, so it can easily handle ice cubes in your smoothie or produce well-blended slushies and blended margaritas. It's quieter, so blending an early morning smoothie is less likely to wake everyone up. However, its 16 ounces personal jars have a narrow shape, and depending on the recipe, you may need to stop and shake the jar so that everything reaches the blades. This blender's main drawback is the controls. It has no buttons, and you need to push down on the blending jar and hold it to blend. Blending something like a smoothie doesn't take long, but if keeping your hand on the jar bothers you, the Magic Bullet Blender MBR 1101 might be a better option. It's more difficult to clean by hand, and you can't use it to crush ice without liquid in the jar, but it's a good option for well-blended smoothies. Its jar locks into place, so you can do something else while the machine runs. Number 3. Magic Bullet Mini. The Magic Bullet Mini is worth considering if you're looking for the best mini blender for smoothies or want to save money. This blender isn't as well built or powerful as the previous picks, but its light, compact design makes it easy to store in cramped kitchens. It makes a smooth blend with fibrous ingredients, meaning it can make a well-blended smoothie with fruit or leafy greens. While it takes longer to process those ingredients than the Ninja Fit, you don't have to press down on the jar the whole time. However, it feels plasticky and not particularly durable. It's not very versatile since it's hard to use for thicker recipes. Also, like most Magic Bullet blenders, it's not meant for crushing ice without liquid in the jar. This is the only blender on the list that doesn't come with a resealable to-go lid for the jar. If you plan to use your blender's jar as a travel cup, the Oster MyBlend is around the same price and comes with a resealable lid. However, it struggles to make a smooth blend with common smoothie ingredients like leafy greens. Number 4. Beast Health Blender. Despite its relatively small size, the Ninja Footy Power Nutri Duo is one of the loudest blenders we've tested. That might not bother you much for occasional use, but a roaring blender can get annoying if you use it often or tend to make recipes with longer blending times. If the noise level is a priority, the best single-serve blender we've tested is the Beast Health Blender. This premium blender is one of the quietest personal blenders we've tested, and it's still powerful enough for a variety of recipes. It's also more expensive than the Duo, so it's definitely not cheap for a personal blender, but it has a premium build and an equally fantastic performance for most recipes. It easily liquefies difficult ingredients like leafy greens, handles thicker recipes like nut butter, and makes snow like crushed ice. It comes with a drinking lid for its 34-ounce jar, but the jar has a shorter, wider shape than most personal blender jars, which might make it a little less convenient to use as a travel cup. The jar's ribbed design gives it a high-end look but makes it harder to clean by hand than most picks here since food tends to get trapped in the ridges. Number 5. Ninja Blast. If you want a portable blender that you can use to blend a smoothie wherever you are, the best single-serve blender is the Ninja Blast. This personal blender doesn't perform as well as conventional blenders like the Ninja Footy Power Nutri Duo, but its battery-powered design gives it a few advantages. You can use it to blend a smoothie on the go, whether you're outside, at your desk, or making a post-workout snack at the gym. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to carry around, including the motor base and blades, and its resealable lid makes it easy to enjoy a smoothie on the go since you can open it with a push of a button. However, compared to the other blenders on this list, it struggles more with fibrous ingredients like leafy greens or blueberries, so you won't get the same perfectly smooth blend you do with the Duo. However, it still does a decent job of blending fibrous ingredients, and adding a couple of ice cubes isn't an issue. Unfortunately, it's difficult to clean since the motor base and blades have some tough-to-reach spots that trap food. You can put the jar in the dishwasher for a quick clean.